We were in Vegas. We couldn't go. I can't see. This is truly called footlights, right? So I can't see anything. This used to be like, they used to put them in your eyes like this for like all the stage fright. People that suffered from stage fright. And you could, because I can't see anybody. I could see my lovely wife, but I can't really. I could feel her.
We can see you.
I can't, darling. That's a good thing. So how about we do?
Somebody out there requested Dead Flowers. Who was that? Here? You stuck around. All right, here it goes.
You're sitting there in your self-composed jail, talking to some rich folk that you know. I hope you won't see me in my ragged company. You know I could never be alone. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground, and you can send me dead flowers every morning. Hey, send me dead flowers by the U.S. mail. Send me dead flowers to my wedding. I won't forget to put roses on your grave. When you're sitting back in your rose pink Cadillac, making bets on Kentucky Derby Day. I hope you won't see me in my ragged company. You know I could never be alone. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. I know you think you're the queen of the underground. You can send me dead flowers every morning. Send me dead flowers by the U.S. mail.